And then, of course, Mike, playing in the NFL, everybody's good. There are no, they can't hide you in the NFL. When you're bad, they can't hide you. Okay. In fact, they're going to find you when you're bad at certain things. And
Yeah.
what I've learned about the courtroom, because again, I've been in there over 200 times by myself, and I got there, unfortunately, well, I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, because I couldn't really afford the kind of representation that I needed, especially when it came down to criminal representation. The child support thing did help me as far as confidence, but it was just the going through it, and every time that I was actually in there for a driving issue, I was facing jail time. So I realized that I couldn't go in there with some of this half-cocked BS because I was looking at jail time for real. And then eventually, I started overcoming it. But I realized nobody in that room cares about you. It's kind of like anything else. You're just one part of everything else that's moving. Everybody else in that courtroom typically wants a different outcome than you. Now, granted, the judge shouldn't care. The judge should make, or a hearing officer or magistrate, wherever you are, depending on what state, should make their determination based upon findings of facts and conclusions of law. And what we're finding out, and unfortunately, is sometimes we miss the ball. But as Mike has said, and I say nothing disparaging about attorneys, uh, there are some errors that probably should not be made that are nevertheless made even by professionals. And so it's up to you to be prepared no matter what the situation is. Understanding your legal issue, understanding the legal rule, how to apply the rule to your issue, and how to conclude that you're entitled to relief. And I think as we move forward into some of these other discussions, as far as how to manage situations in the courtroom, whether it's child support or something else. Hopefully, if it's criminal, but I always do recommend everybody get an attorney. I highly recommend an attorney